Welcome to our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This latest iteration in Samsung's foldable phone lineup has generated significant buzz, and today we have a hands-on look that reveals both exciting features and some potential drawbacks. From the cover display to the inner display and even the internals, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a topic of hot discussion. In this comprehensive analysis, we will delve into the device's specifications, design changes, user experience, and much more. So stick around to find out everything you need to know about the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The cover display of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has been a major talking point. One of the primary reasons users prefer foldable phones, especially those from Chinese manufacturers like Huawei and Xiaomi, is the wider cover display. Samsung, however, has opted for a more conservative approach with the Z Fold 6. The first hands-on video, released by a prominent Korean YouTuber, showcases the Z Fold 6 side-by-side with its predecessor, the Z Fold 5. Although the Z Fold 6 appears more modern and up-to-date, the cover display remains a contentious issue. Despite making the hinge slimmer and the phone boxier, the Z Fold 6 is not significantly wider than the Z Fold 5. This design choice has disappointed many users who were hoping for a wider cover display. Samsung's decision to maintain a narrower cover display contrasts with competitors like the OnePlus Open, which offers a more expansive viewing area. The inner display of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is where Samsung has made some notable improvements. The bezels are now symmetrical for the first time in a Samsung foldable, creating a more aesthetically pleasing and balanced look. The reduction in thickness from 13.4 mm on the Z Fold 5 to 12.5 mm on the Z Fold 6, along with a lighter weight of 239 grams, 14 grams lighter than the Z Fold 5, contributes to a more comfortable user experience. However, these changes are not enough for some users who expect more significant upgrades. The use of the same camera sensors from previous generations minus 50MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP 3x telephoto has also been a point of contention. While Samsung has improved camera optimization, the lack of new sensors is seen as a missed opportunity. Battery life is another crucial aspect of any smartphone, and foldable phones are no exception. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 was rumored to have a larger battery, but it retains the same 4,400 mAh battery as its predecessors. This has been a source of disappointment for many users who expected a more substantial upgrade. Samsung's focus on software enhancements to improve battery life by 20 to 30 minutes of screen-on time is a step in the right direction, but it may not be enough for heavy users. The introduction of AI-driven battery optimization features is promising, yet their effectiveness remains to be seen. The S Pen has always been a standout feature of Samsung's high-end devices, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is no different. However, the absence of a built-in S Pen and the need for a case to carry it continues to be a drawback. On the software side, Samsung has introduced several new AI features, particularly for the S Pen. One UI 6.11 brings AI functions like image generation from rough sketches, which enhances the device's productivity capabilities. One of the most significant changes with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its price. Samsung has increased the price across the board, with the 256GB model starting at $1,899. This $100 increase over the Z Fold 5 has been met with mixed reactions. The same pricing strategy applies to the Galaxy Z Flip 6, which starts at $1,099. For those looking to purchase the Galaxy Z Fold 6, pre-order deals often include free storage upgrades and attractive trade-in offers. Samsung is set to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and the Galaxy Watch 7 series on July 10th, earlier than last year's event. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a mixed bag. It offers several improvements in design, build quality, and software features, but it also retains some of the limitations of its predecessors. The narrower cover display, lack of new camera sensors, and the same battery capacity are notable drawbacks. However, the introduction of new AI features and the overall refinement in design make it a compelling choice for fans of foldable phones. For more detailed reviews, hands-on experiences, and comparisons with other foldable devices, stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and other cutting-edge tech products.